Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we have the NotCoin wallet linking for NotCoin members. For those that have completed the NotCoin mining on the Telegram app, then you need to get on this ASAP. You need to connect your Telegram wallet with your NotCoin account, and I'll be showing you in this video how to go about it. And firstly, you see NotCoin and the Tone wallet on Telegram. I think they are in partnership. You said we collaborate with NotCoin bots to help you connect with the Tone community. So that's why you'll be needing the Tone wallet to claim your NotCoin tokens. You'll be needing the Tone wallet on Telegram app. And in case you're not aware that every user on Telegram has a wallet there, which is called the Tone wallet. So this Tone wallet is what you'll be needing to claim this your NotCoin tokens. And so there are currently 2 campaigns available to participate in the first campaign. All you need to do is to join Wallet Squad, connect Tone. Okay. And so how do I connect my wallet account to NotCoin bot? It's not possible to connect wallet account since it's a custodial wallet. However, you can connect your Tone space by following the instruction in the end tab. Simply create Tone space in NotCoin bots. So this Tone space is what we are going to create. Then we are going to import the private key or the seed key, whichever they call it. We're going to import it to the Tone keeper wallet on the Telegram. So can I top up Tone space with NotCoin? As for now, the withdrawal function is not available in NotCoin bots. That's why it's not possible to withdraw the coin from the game. Keep an eye on NotCoin community channel in Telegram to find out what these features become, when this feature becomes available. So in nutshell, NotCoin withdrawal from Telegram is not yet available. Don't confuse yourself, but you have to link your NotCoin bots. You have to connect your Tone wallet, the Tone space wallet, to the NotCoin account. So that's what we are going to be doing now. And for those asking about the price for NotCoin, what you will be earning on this NotCoin will be determined by your own from what you've mined so far. As we all know, in crypto airdrop, earnings differs. You might earn higher, you might earn lower, depending on how active you were when the airdrop was ongoing. So for people that register and they go sleep, or they don't even remember to claim, you get your reward. And those that took it very serious will also get their reward. So how much you earn in crypto airdrop is determined by your efforts. So that's it. If you're active, you enjoy it. If you're on and off, you also enjoy it. As simple as that. So, but for me, I'm foreseeing like something from $1,000 from above. Yeah, I think that should make sense. NotCoin withdrawal, I'm projecting something from $1,000 above. So I don't know about you, but for me, that's my projection. So now let's go to how to link it. So to get your Telegram wallet on Telegram, you've come to this page. Let me go back. This menu button on your Telegram, you see wallets. Click on it. And guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Make sure you're active, you're following, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my updates about this cryptocurrency airdrop, airdrop farming, crypto trading, and what have you. And in forthcoming days, when we are done with these major airdrops, we will be driving into trading, futures trading, crypto, forex trading. You don't want to miss out on the back-to-back update that will be coming on this channel. So stay tuned. Make sure you are an active subscriber. When you see my video, please engage, like, share, comment, watch the ads on my videos. Yeah, so that you support this baby girl, you understand. So this is what we have on the NotCoin. Because I've created the tone space, that's why you're seeing this tone space here. By default, when you first of all open the NotCoin app, the wallet app, once you first of all open the wallet app on your Telegram, you should be having the this page, excluding this NotCoin, the tone space beta. You will not see this tone space beta. You only be seeing tone coin and more assets. If you are just opening for the first time, please take notes. If you are just opening for the first time, you will not see this tone space. So, but it will tell you create a tone space. By default, it will just pop up like create a tone space and what have you. So you click on create and it will tell you to put a recovery email. Enter your Gmail account as a recovery email so that even when you change your phone, you can log in with this email to your tone space account. You can still get your wallet, your Telegram wallet, once you log in. Because if you missed it, if you don't have any security, once you change your device, you will lose your asset on this thing, on this app. So you have to be security conscious when you on everything that has to do with cryptocurrency. So you enter your Gmail account and create the tone space beta wallet. Now to get the seed phrase, because you'll be needing this seed phrase to import the wallet on Tonekeeper wallet. Let's go to the seed phrase. To get seed phrase on your Telegram wallet for this tone space, click on this tone space beta. After, you must have input your Gmail account as recovery email. Then the next one is to get your seed phrase account. Seed phrase, to secure your Telegram wallet, click on this three dots, click on settings, then click on tone space beta. Did you see that? You click on tone space beta and you see recovering phrase. If I click on this tap to view, it will bring out my 24 recovering seed phrase for this Telegram wallet. Then I'm going to copy it and go to my Tonekeeper wallet to import the seed phrase and have my Telegram wallet on my Tonekeeper wallet. So that is what I'm going to be doing. Now you'll see where they said change recovery email, because I've added mine. Remove tone space. By default, I told you that once you open this Telegram app, it will pop up the tone space wallet creation option. So it's something you have to do manually, and that's why you're seeing the remove tone space option. So you don't need to remove it. Just copy your seed phrase, then go back to your go to your Tonekeeper wallet and import the seed phrase. Then you are prepared to set you are set for NotCoin withdrawal. So let me just proceed to do that. So I've gotten my seed phrase. Now let's go to Tonekeeper wallet. Go to your Play Store or App Store, search for Tonekeeper. Let me show you. You can see installed. This is what you have to download. Then I'll click on open, import existing wallet. Then I will import the existing wallet that I have on my Telegram wallet. Now you are asked to create a 4-digit password. All of these things you are doing, you need to be security conscious. Anything you are doing in crypto space, save your seed phrase, save your email, save everything, save even if there is any English like that. So you have to be security conscious. We talk about security. Let me enable notifications. So this is it. I have my tone space Telegram wallet on my Tonekeeper wallet. Now I can enable fingerprints for security. Then this is it. I'm sure when NotCoin eventually launch, then we can come here to search for NotCoin. You see, buy tone, stake tone, Tonecoin. Then we can come here to enable NotCoin, maybe with their contract address or anything like okay, yeah, enter or search for or enter address. So when NotCoin are ready to distribute the NotCoin tokens, which they will be using this Stone wallet, then we can interact with the dApp browser on this Stone Keeper wallet to connect your NotCoin account. When NotCoin brings the come up with the information about a wallet linking, then this is where we are going to, where this is where we are coming. This browser, this is the dApp browser. Then we engage in the link, whichever link they will be providing, and we can connect the NotCoin wallet and the NotCoin accounts for withdrawal. So stay tuned for the subsequent update that will be coming up on NotCoin withdrawal, every other airdrop withdrawal, every other airdrop that I've been posting on this channel. I will bring back the updates as things involved. I bring you back the updates. There is no this is not the era of missing updates. No, just be active on this channel. Once you are active, you get my updates back to back. Subscribe, also join my Telegram community so you don't miss out on any of my updates at all. You can also reach out to me for any of my paid services. You want to get the list of potential coins to buy and hold for this next crypto bull run. You want to learn about cryptocurrency from scratch. You want to learn about futures trading or forex trading. Send me a WhatsApp message when you join my Telegram channel. My WhatsApp contact is on my Telegram channel, or drop your comments here on the comment section. I will reply and we can take it up from there. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn up your notification bell. Stay tuned, stay active. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.